Yes, YouTube. Um, I'm in a position. It's not looking good. I hate to say it, but I feel like this is going to be a loss. I've been in it for 15 minutes now, and it's just not. It's just showing all the wrong signs. I think, yeah, my first one's been taken out. I should close this when it hits 40 as well. I wanted to put one stop loss there, and then I wanted to just manually close the other, just because I wanted to see what if the spread was going to take me out. Because look, that's 38, and it I shouldn't be out yet, really. So I've still got half my position in. Really, I want to see the price actually break this. That's what's annoying about MT4. Or is it FTMR? I don't know. I think it's FTMR, yeah. But yeah, other bad news, my True Forex Funds account is done. I didn't fail it, but the company have closed and shut down, so I'm no longer have that account, so I'm back on this MT4 account that I've absolutely wrecked. It's going to be a big task to pull this out of drawdown, but I've spent money on it and I need to treat it like, I need to treat it with respect, really. So I'm going to be trying to pull it back out of drawdown. What's the spread looking like right now? It's about 0.2. I might just put my stop loss somewhere just so I can analyze this chart. I'll put it there, just so I can show you what the trade idea is. To be honest, I was looking for buys on GBP. It's a bit annoying. I did say at the start of today that I wasn't going to look for counter trend stuff, but like this trade has been like the only setup that has occurred while I've been watching it for like 2 hours. And it didn't seem like a bad setup, really. I still felt like price needed to come a bit lower. I feel like we're in a little selling phase. And yeah, I thought it was going to occur here. I did also have this kind of higher time frame POI set out, so if this doesn't go, then I would probably put that down to that. I feel like there might still be. To be honest, I know that there is liquidity resting above my stop loss, which is kind of counter. Like my stop loss is at the liquidity, but I've already seen all of these highs get taken, and it came to an extreme and respected it and made a push down. So I figured this might be a good place to start selling from. So I did. It pushed out. We only had a breaker structure on the 1 minute, which again I can look back and say, okay, maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe that shouldn't have been the move. Maybe I should have waited for a bit more confirmation, especially considering my target is like all the way down there. But yeah, right now it's looking like it's just not. It's not doing it. What else am I saying? Yeah, so I waited. I was initially waiting for this high to go. That was going to be my internal liquidity, and then my stop loss would have been above this high. And then I saw it coming down lower, and I figured that this probably is the POI because that has already mitigated that. Drew out my liquidity area, drew out my entry, and I entered. I didn't really wait, to be honest. I just figured like when it comes, I'm gonna enter, and I did. And yeah, I'm not too mad about this position, even though like it's not looking like it's gonna go my way. It's not the highest probability thing that I've took, but it's also not the worst either. Like I wanna be seeing price take liquidity, and it took a lot here. Respected this high, which also took a lot of liquidity on its internal. And again, it's respected it, so maybe this is not actually a bad position. I feel like I might have just got in a little prematurely because we've been in drawdown for this whole time. So yeah, so far we've lost. What have we lost? I need to go back to my. It's a shame that is that my this account has been nuts. Look at all these losses, man. Like, it's actually nuts how badly I performed on this account. I think this account was the thing that made me go, okay, shit, I need to I need to learn something better than my fib strategy. Yeah, this account was definitely that. I think I'm about to get stopped out now. GBP is still climbing. I guess a little bit of hindsight, this might have been an impatient trade. Might have been a bit of a rushed position that I've taken. I'm doing. It is a very counter trade. I'm doing complete opposite of what GBP is doing. Just with the idea that we're gonna come down just so we can buy again. But I feel like I took it a bit because I felt like I wasn't gonna. The buying cycle wasn't gonna happen during London. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out for sure. For sure. Just waiting for it to happen. And if we don't, we might come to this order block here, and then we get stopped. I don't know. We're taking a lot of liquidity above. It's gotta be us next. Like, realistically, it's gotta be me next. Alright, we're gone. We're done. No? You wanna just tease me for a bit longer, yeah? But yeah, this is my first week back trading. It's a shame that we start with a loss, but it is what it is. Wow, this thing's playing, boy. Just take me out, man. I know there's about to be a big spike that just takes me out. Just balancing around this whole, like, I've just bought in a whole consolidation area. Yeah, I feel like this is just gathering up orders. You know, it's just waiting to. Okay, it's took us out. That's fair though. I feel like we should have been out a while ago. But yeah, man, first trade back, and unfortunately, it's been a loss. Shit. Yeah, unfortunately, it's been a loss. But yeah, gonna keep looking for the trades to analyse why this was a loss. I think I was just a bit impatient. This is liquidity here. I should have been waiting really for that to go. It's just annoying, man. I logged on here and I wanted to buy. I just knew that like it was gonna sweep this previous day low and go. I was waiting for a pullback. That's all I was waiting for. Just a little pullback, and it just hasn't given me that, which is really quite annoying. But yeah, never mind. We win some and we lose some. I know that the winning phase is going to come soon, so I'm not too worried.